Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're checking out Pumpkinhead from Shipyard Brewing. This beer comes in at a 4.5% ABV, 18 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.61. Our favorite time of year, Pumpkinhead season. Our Pumpkinhead Ale is a clean, crisp American wheat ale flavored with a unique blend of pumpkin spices. It only comes alive once a year, so enjoy it while you can. All right. Wow, as a wheat ale, that thing is clear. It doesn't really have a pumpkin spice note to it. Honestly, it looks more like a golden ale or a lager. All right. Whoa, a lot of pumpkin spice up front. Wow, that's actually refreshingly good. That's like a lot of pumpkin spice. The only other beer I can say that has this much pumpkin spice and pumpkin pie flavoring is Elysian's Night Owl, and this is half the percentage. It is literally like a light version of that beer. It's really not that bad. I'm enjoying this. It's light. It's pumpkin pie spiced flavored to the max. This is something of like, I don't want to get drunk, but I want to taste that pumpkin pie flavor. I want to drink a lot of something during fall. Shipyard Pumpkinhead Brewing is hitting all those marks. So if you're looking for more of that lighter end of pumpkin beers, but really want that pumpkin pie spice flavor and not the pumpkin meat, something you could probably drink a lot of all day long, Shipyard Brewing's Pumpkinhead. You really need to check this beer out if you like pumpkin pie spices. Cheers.